Hi, welcome to automationtesting.in. In this video, we will see signature automation with Selenium. So you might be wondering that what is this signature automation, whether it is really possible. So can be done with Selenium. So even I'm not very sure, but recently I have come across in one of our applications, to fill a form, we need a signature. So that is a mandatory field. So without a signature, we cannot automate. So, and then I'm not very sure how the signature will behave in other applications, but in the application which I have seen, I'll show you that how it looks like exactly. So this is a form. So I just took this only the screenshot of signature, and you see that signature and star mark, that is mandatory. Without this signature, I cannot automate my form. So that is a challenge I saw here, and I want to just see whether it is can be automated or not. So here the advantage which I have in this application is, so I don't need to put exact signature. If you draw something on this, then that is fine. So the other screenshot which I'll show you here, you see that the difference between these two, you see that nothing is there, you have delete option here. Okay, so I don't know what exactly this delete is, but if you draw something, you see that accept and clear, you got this both. So previously you do not have that. You see nothing is there, empty. But when you draw something on this, some randomly I draw something, so you can accept that signature or you can clear that signature. So I don't want, I mean, there is no need to put exactly your signature. It will not look into all those things, but something is there. So that is the advantage I saw in this application, but every application will be the same. I'm not very sure. So I feel if I create a video on this, might be helpful for some people which have this kind of applications. So it's very, very simple actually. So when I try, it is very simple. So I just thought of sharing this with you. So then where I can get this kind of application. So this is client application. I cannot access, I cannot show anything. So because of that, I just took that screenshot of that particular area for better understanding. So where I can simulate this. So when I search in Google, so luckily I got one of the website. You see that signwell.com/online signature/draw. So kind of similar, not exactly. So you see clear and save, accept and clear it both the same way. So I can do something on this. Okay, and then I can say save or clear. So but the challenging part is I want to write something inside, I want to draw something here. Okay, so if I put something like this also my signature, this also my signature, something like this. So very, very simple actually. So we'll give a try, we'll see how it will work. So this I created one class called signature automation. So WebDriver manager dot Chrome driver dot setup to launch my browser. So WebDriver driver is equals to new Chrome driver. These two lines will launch my Chrome browser. So driver dot manage dot window dot maximize will maximize my browser. So I need to go to that particular URL. What is that URL? This is my URL. So once I go there, I need to find that element first, right? I need to find this element. We'll see whether it is possible or not. You see this is a canvas and I have ID, canvas signature. So and this not entire area is not a signature area, only this area, this canvas signature. You see that how much area it is highlighting there, only that much. Okay, that is canvas signature. So let me write a web element for this. Web element signature canvas is equals to driver dot find element by dot ID, and I'll give the ID. I found that. Okay, I found that area where I want to put my signature. So I'll use actions class. Okay, you see that actions from the Selenium.interactions. Actions is equals to new actions, and then I'll pass the driver instance, and then here actually comes. So what exactly I'm doing, I'm dragging and dropping, I'm clicking and holding and dragging and dropping. Okay, that's what I want to do. I'm just dragging and dropping here, right? I'm dragging my mouse here. So I need to simulate the same thing here, okay, on this particular element. So for that, actions dot, you have drag and drop by. So web element, you need to provide that what is the source, the canvas, and integer x offset, y offset. Okay, so x offset means, so if I do something like this exact straight line, so this is x axis, but it is y axis, and I'm not bothered about the y axis. I'm just drawing something on this, so I bother about only x axis. So 200 pixels I'll drag in the x axis. Okay, so actions dot drag and drop by on which element, signature canvas, comma, the x offset I'll use some 200 pixels, and y I don't bother about, I'll put 0 dot build dot perform, right? Build dot perform. So that's it, that simple it is actually. Okay, if the application is very similar, then this simple it is, but I'm not very sure that applications how they behave. But if you have the similar kind of application, you can try this approach. Okay, so let me run this. We'll see whether it will work or not. You see that it draws some straight line, horizontal line. So that's it. So if I'm able to manage something like this, I can click on this, accept, and I can move forward. Means I'm able to automate this kind of application. Okay, so let me rerun this, whether it will work fine or not. We'll give it a try. You see that? The same thing. Okay, so I'm not very sure whether it is useful or not, even makes sense or not, as it is a signature automation. So, but the scenario which I have seen the problem, so I just thought of bringing, as in the form of video. So that's all in this video. You can automate, signature, something like this. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel for further interesting updates. Thank you.